thought we'd better film this today because this might not be around for long. This is a very rare Yonder. Is that right, Ian?
This magnesium Honda 305.
Magnesium Honda 305, and that is the business. That's a proper Honda race engine, isn't it? And we reckon there's only a trials engine. There's only less than 10 of these made.
Apparently.
Based on what chassis, Ian? What's the
It's a TY250 chassis.
TY250 with that great big engine in it. Yeah, it's a lovely nick. You've done this up, haven't you?
Yeah.
So Ian is selling it, but you need deep pockets for this one, I'm afraid. But if you are interested, drop us a link and I'll put you in contact with Ian. This is one of probably 7 with that rare engine. Crikey. Manganese. Lovely. And Jenko, race engine builder in his own right, has been through it all. And isn't it lovely? Crikey. Well, look, if you've got the deep pockets, then get in contact and I'll put you on to Ian. But very, very nice. Very nice. Crikey. Twin shocks. Lovely. If I don't, they won't be able to see what the other side looks like. Look at that. I like the way I have the speedo right down there. Got to lean over the bars to you to read it.
You can see the speed.
Get it on your phone now. Yeah. Depends how much it hurts. Nice.